Hello there, you're watching Lockpicking Legend. Hello to all the new subscribers. This is essentially an unboxing video, but I've been in this game about 20 years, and when you used to buy lockpicking tools, they came in a plastic bag, they were often greasy. And look how things have changed. Look at that lovely packaging. And to be honest with you, it just gets better. This is a premium lockpicking kit. It's a repinnable cutaway lock, but I've never seen a cutaway made with such attention to detail, and just the quality is insane. It's got the Dangerfield logo there. It's obviously a Dangerfield brand, but this isn't a lock that was made. I mean, look, that's just so smooth. The edges are beveled. Most cutaways, they're like razor blades. But this is just so smooth. An absolute joy to work with. This lock wasn't made to be a cutaway. This was a real lock that they then cut away. By the look of this, it's a sludge profile. I can tell by the shape of the key, although it's got the Dangerfield logo on it there. And it's just really high quality. I've had great fun playing with this. And I can't say that for most cutaways. The set's really cool. You get some spare key pins. There's some spare hex screws, pins. There's also a couple of spool pins and a couple of serrated pins in there. So if you want to try your hand at security pins, that's good. Nice set of tweezers. Personally, I don't like the tweezers with the little curves at the end. They're all right, but they only work at a particular angle. They're kind of strange, whereas the tips of those tweezers are actually gripped, so they work fine. And there's an Allen key for repinning the lock. And yeah, like I say, it's just the engineering and the consideration is incredible. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll pop a couple of spool driver pins in to show you. See, look, that's fine. If you try and do that with the so-called made for lockpicking tweezers, you've really got to get them at the right angle, but no problems with these. And they're not multicolored either, like a lot of repinnable locks are, because I'm an adult and I don't need multicolored spare pins. So simple enough. Put the Allen key in, remove the hex screw, that's so handy if you've got some kind of pinning mat, but if not, just put them on something that where they won't roll away. And then look, so I've taken out the standard driver. Just in case you don't know, there's a bit of confusion for beginners. You've got a top and a bottom pin in a traditional Euro cylinder, but they're also known as key pin and driver pin. The key pin being the pin that makes contact with the key, and the driver pin being the pin that's driven onto the key pin by the pressure of the spring. So I've got a funny feeling I might fast forward through this bit. I've just changed the 2 driver pins to spool pins in this case, and like I said, there's a couple of serrated pins in the selection too, as well as a variety of different sized pins, so that you can have, Lord knows the maths, but I imagine it's thousands of different combinations. And the key still works, of course, because I didn't change any key pins. I'll pop those back in there. See what I mean about those tweezers? Lovely. This is a real premium bit of kit. If you want a repinnable lock, if you want a cutaway lock, I've been in this game over 2 decades, never come across anything of this quality. On the back of the box it says dangerfieldlockpicking.com. I went there, but it would appear to be a site that's, you know, in the process of being built, but it does say distributors, Lockpick World and UK Bump Keys. That's the Dangerfield repinnable and cutaway lock. And now I'll pick it. I mean, I'm not actually looking at the cutaway, and although I can't prove that, because you can see the camera is looking at it, the camera's kind of in the way of it. But what is also, I'm using a Dangerfield top wrench here, and I'm going to grab my multi-pick real deep hook. What is also special about this lock is it really lends itself to learning, because there's a real, you know, I don't know if this is by design, but by the quality of the rest of the lock, it probably is. The binders really give you, you know, that you've bound a pin. You know that you've got it, and you're like, okay, you know, we're good. Like 2's gone there, 5's gone, 6 has gone. I mean, did you hear that click? You know you're there. Problems on 4, 3 again, 2's good, 1's good. Where am I? 5's fine. What have I missed? Could have an oversell or something. What's 4 happening? Aye, aye. That is that. Brilliant. Really happy. Presentation, quality, design. This lock is legendary, and so are you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. The channel's growing. We've got some more cross sections coming. Oh yeah, and we've got a really special cross section coming. Mind blowing. Legendary. Take care, everyone. Ta-da!